Hey team, Dania here with PureLifeOrganics.com, your athletic therapist and strength and conditioning coach, here to really help you move and feel your best. Today we're tackling some knee pain. So if you commonly notice when you squat or you are biking or you are running and your knees are doing this, it's not a bad thing, but it can lead to things like misalignment, wear and tear on other areas, muscles not working to help stabilize that knee, and it can lead to injury. So what we want to do is to prevent our knees from collapsing in, we're going to strengthen our lateral glutes and our lateral chain. So next time you're in the gym, if you're doing a squat, I want you to pay attention to seeing if your knee goes in the middle of your feet, if your feet are rolling in or your knees are rolling in. So we're trying to avoid this. Or if we're biking, we don't want to have this happen. If we're running, we don't want to have our knee cave in. It just puts us at a disadvantage and it actually makes us less efficient. And for my athletes out there, we're all about being efficient, preventing injuries. So regardless if you're an athlete or not, doesn't matter. We all want to feel happy, healthy knees. So what you're going to do is a few things. I'm going to show you two exercises, depending if you have a band or not. If you have a band, great easy little band you can buy on Amazon. We're gonna learn how to strengthen those knees. So one drill you can do if you're squatting is place the band above your knees. If that is too little tension, place it below your knees, never on it. And then, or if you want more tension, place it on your feet. But what you're gonna do is you're gonna set up in a squat and you're gonna actually push the band out. My feet stay still, but my knees are activating my glute med and I'm pushing my knees out as I'm gonna go down into a squat. This helps provide really good feedback because what's gonna wanna happen, this. And you're gonna have to strengthen, turning on these muscles to strengthen, stabilizing that knee and preventing it from collapsing in. If you don't have a band, what can I do? You can actually just recreate this tension and awareness with no band. The band just kind of gives us feedback, which is easier, but what you're gonna simply do is have awareness. So set up in your squat position, nice active foot, and as you squat down, what I want you to imagine you're doing is actually splitting a piece of paper in half. So if I'm standing right now, imagine I'm standing on a piece of paper, I'm trying to rip that piece of paper in half from the top down. What does that mean? I'm gonna put pressure into the floor, down, and I'm going to, without moving my feet, try and split that paper in half. What you'll feel is tension in your glutes and your knees are almost naturally driving out because you're turning on your glutes. Now keep that tension down and trying to twist that paper as you go all the way down, all the way out. If you want more feedback, just use your hands and push your knees in just like so. So my hands are pushing in, my knees are pushing out, turning on our glutes to help strengthen the lateral chain to help support that knee and protect it, preventing it from injury. Let me know if you have any questions and what you guys want to see next.